The Muncie Young Marines are a group of young men and women who participate in military drills, serve the community, and promote a healthy, drug-free lifestyle. The Young Marines attend a Women's Veterans Conference in which they learn about the barriers that many of the veterans faced. James Patrick Romack, who is the commanding officer and co-founder of the Muncie Young Marines, said the youth motivates him to keep helping and being a mentor to them.
It just kind of chokes me up from time to time when I see them come in as a small kid, no direction, and grow up on me. I feel like a proud papa because some of them don't have a father figure. They look up to different gang members, so to speak, or somebody they see on TV but never really have a connection to.
Shelby York, a participant in the program, says she has become a better person inside and out.
Changed my life because I now respect the teachers more, and since I was mean to all the other students, I learned more discipline.
Shannon York, who is Shelby's mother, has experienced many difficulties with both of her daughters and said the program has encouraged them to continue to succeed.
I have no problems out of them. They are very disciplined. They don't argue. They say, sir, ma'am. I mean, it's been a godsend.
In developing key skills to succeed in life, Romack said he will continue to influence the youth to stay proactive and be leaders to their peers. In Muncie, Benicia Brown, NewsLink, Indiana.